In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open Civil 3D in AutoCAD. Civil 3D is Autodesk's civil engineering toolset that runs on top of AutoCAD, so launching it correctly ensures your units and templates load as intended. We'll keep this simple and precise so you can get to work quickly. Start by opening the Windows Start search. The quickest way is to press the Windows key on your keyboard. That opens the Start menu and puts your cursor in the search bar, ready to go. Begin typing Civil 3D. As results appear, you'll typically see Autodesk Civil 3D listed, often with two variants, Imperial and Metric. These are the same application, but they start with different default templates and unit settings. Imperial uses feet and inches, while Metric uses meters and millimeters. Choose the option that matches your project requirements. If your survey data, standards, or client deliverables are in feet, pick Imperial. If they're in meters, pick Metric. You can change units later, but selecting the correct option now helps you avoid scaling issues, mislabeled styles, and unnecessary rework. If multiple year versions appear in your search, choose the one your team is using for the project. Click the appropriate Civil 3D shortcut to open the app. The first load can take a moment because Civil 3D initializes the AutoCAD engine, tool palettes, and Civil 3D styles. Be patient and let it finish. When the interface appears, you should see the Civil 3D workspace with the ribbon tabs like Home, Insert, and Analyze, and the Toolspace palette with Prospector and Settings. If you notice any content updates running, allow them to complete before you continue. This helps prevent missing styles or corrupted templates. With Civil 3D open, you're ready to open your drawing. From the Start tab or the Application menu, choose Open, then browse to your project folder and select the DWG you need. If you see it listed under Recent Files, you can open it directly from there. Larger projects may take longer to load as surfaces, corridors, and references are initialized, so give it time to complete. If you're opening a shared project, make sure the file isn't locked by someone else and that you have the appropriate permissions. When working with drawings received from others, it's a good practice to confirm that the drawing units match the Imperial or Metric choice you made at launch. To protect the source file, consider saving a copy as soon as it opens so you have a clean backup. That's it. You pressed the Windows key, searched for Civil 3D, chose Imperial or Metric, opened the app, and then opened your project file. You're now ready to work in Civil 3D within the familiar AutoCAD environment.